Hello guys, and welcome to my video showing you how to install a chip tuning on a Mercedes E350 CDI. That's the 2010 model, as you can see in the corner there. And you need to locate the connector, which is in the end of the engine, as I'm showing you there. Then you have to just install the tuning box, securely in place. And straight away I want to tell you guys about the details about the tuning box. With my car, when I put it in the highest setting, it changed to around 260 bhp, but the problem with that was that every time I was flooring the car over 4000, it just cut off the engine, which was really dangerous. And I think it's because of the fact that the chip tuning boxes, they increase the power output obviously, and they need more airflow. And that car, I was looking for performance air filters, but I couldn't find any because there are very specific ones in this one, and there is no performance filters. So just be wary of that and be careful with that. So you just remove the air hose, then remove the cover from the car, and you can access the engine bay nicely. And this is the air filter I'm talking about. There are two of them on each side. I couldn't find any performance ones. The facelifted model already have a normal squarish filter. So you need to access the connector, which is not them ones. I'll show you in a second. They are in the middle, more or less there. Very much hidden. I couldn't find them for a while. And then obviously on the box you've got two connectors, male and female. One of them is going in the engine, and the other is going into the wire that comes out. So as you can see, it's there. The connector is in the end of the common rail of the engine, and you just get the connectors from the tuning box and also unplug the one from the engine, and it's pretty straightforward process after that, just to connect them and make sure they're sitting tight and properly. So again, you have to look at the engine. It's in the end there, below that rubber hose. You've got the end of the common rail where you have to connect the cable. And when it's ready, when it's connected, just make sure everything is nice and tight. Nothing is touching anything hot. No pipes, no parts of the engine that get very hot. Just near the other connectors to make it safe. Then you run the wire somewhere to the front, and you've got to attach the chip tuning box as well. I bought the Italian box. I believe the other ones are the same, similar power output, but honestly guys, I would recommend probably doing remap, especially on this car, because then you're at least safe, that the power output won't cause any trouble, like in my case, because these filters, they don't exist in the K&N or other performance brands, so you have to stick with the original ones, unfortunately, and that's not the best choice for the chip tuning. But as you can see, everything is set up, everything is connected now, and as I said, the car got better BHP, much nicer acceleration, noticeable, higher MPG from around 40 mpg to I would say 45, maybe. Sometimes you could achieve that if you're easy on the gas in this car. And as you can see, it's all nice and tight. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more.